Dami naman.
Tsura mo.
Apat ni Dada Bits. Ayaw na ng barbecue. Sige, balat. Bigyan mo yung balat.
Ano na? Drive, no goal. Rebound by Gonzalo. 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 Isinya by Gonzalo. Rebound by Tatapao. Number 28. 26. Sahabat. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. 7 minutes and 25 seconds for the third quarter remaining time. 7 minutes and 25 seconds for the third quarter. Score 31-7 in favor of International. Shakil on it. Shakil. Ano yun? Traffic violation by Shakil on it.
Yun o, nahabol na.
Score 31-7 in favor of Ebra San Miguel. Gonzalo, masuk import pas Gonzalo, pandang level 1-3, Gonzalo